Hi, stylists. These are the items we will be able to get in the new Starlit shop. I can think of several ways to mix and match them. Even the new poses are amazing. As always, all we need is a little world peace.